Right, morning, welcome to the channel. If you've got a Vauxhall and you get a code 3 pop up like this should pop straight up. Hang on. Code 128 is because the bonnet's up, or bonnet's not closed. In this case the bonnet's up, that's why that code's there. Just going to start it. I'm not going to start, there you go. That's code 3. Which means you need to top up your water. If you top your water up and the code's still there, then you need to change this part. So I'm just going to show you how you do that. Alright, here's the water bottle, the sensor's inside here. So you need to pick this clip up out the way, which is very, very simple. Just get a little pick in there like so. Just pull it up gently so it doesn't ping across the room or anything. Like that. And this will become wobbly. Just got to pull it up so it's off the tab at the back. Just going to put the camera down while I do that and lift it up. Right, you don't pull up, you slide it forward because it's on that little bit down there and in there. This part slides inside that. So then you can see the sensor here. The camera's going to zoom in a little bit for you. Sensor's there. So I'm just going to undo the plug. I've got the plug off. All I did was use the pick behind it here like that and just push down on the tab. Just drop my thing, this little tab here, and you just pull it and it comes straight out. Now with this you just twist it. I just twisted it and now it pops. This one's, where are we in the camera? There we go. This one's obviously faulty for the code to keep coming up. I did get this one from a scrapyard the other day, so I'm going to pop it in there and hopefully it's going to go. If not, I've got a new one which you will send back to Euros if this one works. So just pop it in there. Just push in the line and just twist it like so. Hang on, 2 hands. Two hands. Just going to plop it back in and check the code. Well, before I put it all back together, I am just going to check the code. We've got enough water in there, and hopefully it will go out. So let's try it. There you go, code 128 is the bonnet up. Is it going to go to code 3? Let's start it and hopefully it doesn't come on. No, there you go. So that's how you fix it. Very simple and very easy. Okay. Thanks for watching. A new sensor for this was about 10 quid, so it's a pretty cheap fix. Okay, thanks for watching.